Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your professional seller account and brand registry if available. Once done, pick a clear campaign goal, ACO's target, sales, or visibility, because that shapes bids and keywords. Next, collect your product SKUs, high-resolution images, and at least 5 seed keywords to jumpstart targeting. Make sure to set daily budgets, currency, and a realistic start date. These are the first actionable steps that get your campaign live and measurable quickly. You now build targeting and bidding. Start an auto-sponsored products campaign to harvest converting search terms. Once you have data, create manual campaigns using phrase and exact match for high-intent keywords. Set initial bids based on your ACO's goal and adjust placement bids for top product pages. Make sure to separate match types and ASIN into ad groups for clearer performance signals, and schedule bid reviews every 48-72 hours early on. You finish by optimizing and scaling. Pause low-converting keywords and add them as negative to auto campaigns, increase bids on winners and raise budgets gradually, about 10 to 20% at a time, to avoid volatility. Duplicate top ad groups into new campaigns to test scale while preserving data. If things go wrong, check for suppressed listings, exhausted budgets, or poor buy box share. Resolving those fixes most delivery and performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.